Hi guys, let me quickly show you how data extraction works with DeepTagger's n8n community node. First, let's install it. It's called n8n nodes DeepTagger. Approval is pending. For now, we'll have to do it this way. So what we'll be doing is we'll start with a bunch of files, typical setup, invoices, slightly different format, same sort of data. And we'll create a workflow that will convert those invoices into a CSV spreadsheet. So we'll add a manual trigger. We'll add read file, and here we'll read from the mounted folder. Let's make sure it all looks good. All right, so those are our files, and next step we'll add DeepTagger. This is an extractor part. Here we need to specify project ID. If we go to DeepTagger and into our projects, then we can create a new project, and from here we can take the project ID. This is our project ID. Now here inside project, we'll need to provide it with an example of what we want to extract. It's different from other systems since here we are annotating right on the document. Amount due, you bleed, and maybe invoice number. If we press predict, then we should get those fields out, right? So this is what it found. We can see those fields right on the document, as well as here in the sidebar. Once we're happy with the result, and we mark this as example, and we go back into DeepTagger. Here we need to add credentials. We do it via API key. And we paste it here. So that's done. And now we should be able to produce a CSV. Convert to file, CSV, and lastly, save it on disk. And we'll write it into also mounted folder. Result.csv. And at this point, it should be ready to be executed. So once that's done, we should get our result in this folder. Let's just give it a second. Depending on the amount of information you want to extract and the number of files, it might take longer or faster. Convert to file. Okay, it didn't do it. My data, okay, did a misspell here. Let's spin the data here and then just rerun it. Okay, it looks good now. This is result we got, and it looks all right, except I'd say this and O should not be part of invoice number. Now, what we can do, we can go back to DeepTagger. We can open our project, and we can find this document, and we can change this value here. We can delete this, and instead we can say that only this bit is invoice number. And then we can mark it as another example. And then when we're doing any further extractions, it will use both those examples to sort of know what to extract and how to do it. So good luck, and looking forward to any feedback you have. Please give it a try.